Yeah, turkey gravy, and I'm excited about it. You're actually going to get two recipes here today. In order to make an authentic turkey gravy, you've got to make it with turkey stock. Okay, this is turkey gravy. It's not poultry gravy. We don't use chicken stock or anything like that. We're not posers here at PJ's Plate. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, for the turkey stock, you're going to want to put some oil at the bottom of the pan. Then you're going to want to put your Mirepoix in there, which is super rough cut onion, rough cut carrots, and rough cut celery. Now add the giblets. In this case, I was able to get some turkey necks. Roast that concoction at 420 degrees for about 45 minutes. After roasting, add 3 pints of water and bring to a simmer, and you're going to let it simmer for 4 or 5 hours. I'm going to add a little thyme and peppercorn. Skim and save the fat so you can use it in the roux. After the simmer, strain the liquid into a bowl. And now strain what you strained to catch some stragglers. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and add the turkey fat you skimmed from the stock. I'm adding 1/4 cup of flour gradually, and I'm introducing it via a strainer. It helps with minimizing the lumps. And now we're going to whisk, and we're going to keep whisking. Now that flour is going to get cooked. This should smell like a pie crust when it's done. More flour and more whisking. Now the rest of the recipe is just gradually introducing the stock to your roux. And look how dark that stock is. We did a good job there. That 3 pints of water, that reduced down to less than 1 pint. But we're just going to keep introducing. And sometimes we're going to let that gravy come up to a slight boil, and then just whisk away, and that's it. Now I did have to add some water at the end because we ran out of stock because we did such a good job of reducing it. But not to worry, in a normal stock we would have been adding water to that in the first place. What's really left is introducing a little more stock at a time to get the desired thickness. Make sure you add a little salt and pepper to taste along the way, and you've already got your herb in there from the time when we made the stock. Perfect. And this gravy is great for making in advance. So, till next time, take care.